Hello everyone, this is Lena from Premier Team Real Estate. Welcome back to ATX Real Estate channel. Today I'm actually showing you the house that was remodeled last week, and I wanted to show you the completionist of the remodeling that I showed in the last video. So please go ahead and follow me, and I will show you all the features that have been updated for this listing. This listing is going to be available this week for anybody who want to purchase. The house is located in Round Rock School District and center of Round Rock, and it has a 2-car garage, 2-story, just to recap, 4 bedrooms, a loft, and 2.5 baths. So let's come with me to check out the features that have been updated. Alright, so as you enter the house, there is a wide hallway, and on the right side of the hallway you will see an area. It could be a formal dining room or it could be an office. We do have a epoxy garage. I will show you a little bit later. Next to it will be a half bath, and as you can see, everything has been updated. If you can take a look here, there is a nice lighting fixture that we put in, and also a gray framed mirrors. It looks really modern. So this is a half bath, and let's walk out, go straight to the kitchen. So on the right here is the kitchen, and a lot of feature has been updated from last time. As you can see, we didn't actually paint it, the cabinet, because the wood color kind of looked nice with the countertop and the backsplash. We actually put in the handles, very modern, and the backsplash here, compared to what we have seen last week, it's really nice gray and silver color and matching up with the dark granite countertops. Alright, so here is also the backsplash that go through the sink, kitchen sink area. This house has a brand new dishwasher and also a brand new kitchen hood and range, Whirlpool brand. And the backsplash also has been completed from last time that we have seen. Today, everything looks so good all together. Also, this is the nook area for the breakfast table, and there's also a dining light that is very modern. One can hang it up a little bit higher, or you can leave it down as soon as you have a table light here. The wood floor was here, and one feature I want to show you is the fireplace. Last time we have the tile, now we have bricks and stones actually. So these stones are really nice, neutral color. It has multiple neutral color here, so you can easily decorate it with your furniture, different tone. You can do cream, orange, a little bit blue, or pink. So the feature that I like the most after the upgrading this house is the fireplace and the kitchen backsplash. All right, so let's tour with me around the house right now, and if you have any questions about the feature of this house and also the listing details, please let me know. Hi all. Another thing that I want to show you special about this house today is the garage floor, and it's epoxy. So it's a really nice feature that we have put in this house because, you know, originally this house was built 2006, so the driveway and the garage is a little bit older. Of course, they're settling, so that you will see a little hairline crack on the floor. One thing to get away with that and also to make it look nicer is to epoxy. So we also put that feature in this house. This house also have the water connection to the water softener. Thank you everyone for watching this video today, and this is my listing this week. If anybody have a questions or would like to list your house or buy homes in Austin, Texas, please contact me. If you have a house that needs to be remodeled and before you put on the market, consult with me and it will be free. So I'll be available to consult with you to see what features that you need to make an update to make your house more valuable and have a bigger money for the house. But for whoever the buyers is, we'll have the really nice house with the updated features in the house. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.